Alright, hey guys, so this is my final look, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. Sorry it's been so long. I've been working, like, as I say in the video, like, almost like 6 to 7 days a week. It's been exhausting, but you know, I'm back, and hopefully I can do some more for you. Peace out, guys. Yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, just to get updates of when I finally do stuff. Whew, that hair's been a pain in the ass. Alright, peace out, guys. Yeah, so we're just gonna do some quick makeup. Alright, so first I have moisturised my face. Now I'm gonna go in with my, what is it? LA Girl Pro Coverage. If I've got any left. Which it seems like I almost don't. Sorry, my kids are being very noisy. So, just going to grab everything out that I'm going to do today. So, I'm going to mix that with the rest of my e.l.f. just to, you know, get a little bit more. Alright, so going to go in with my Shaanxo XO Vegan Flat Brush. And I'm just going to put my foundation all over my face. So I'm doing it before I'm doing my eyeshadow today. Don't know why, that's just how it turned out. Make sure you get that neck and those ears. So we're going to get Santa photos today, so have to put my face on because that's just terrible if I don't. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go in with a pink in the crease. I'm going to go in with this brush, which is my Colourpop. So we're going to go in with that pink. It's called Star Power.
What are you doing?
I'm doing makeup, darling. What are you doing?
Oh, my beard here.
What? Kids have moved my duvet, so they're making
I
it.
love it.
You love it.
Slide.
Is it like a slide? Yeah, and just keep brushing that out. What? Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my OMFG by Chichi. I'm going to go in with this colour here. Alright, so it turns out Ari's behind me. Alright, so I'm just going to use my Beauty Killer mirror. I'm just going to go in with that Chichi colour. Just...
Star.
Yeah. Jeffree Star.
2 stars.
Can you say Jeffree Star?
No star.
You alright there?
I'm taking.
Alright, so just putting it in that crease again.
Lucky's one.
Oh, that cough, Bubba. You need your inhaler.
No.
No. Alright, so I'm going to use that colour. You got me. Then I'm going to go in with the E3. And there's a gold colour just in this cheek. Apparently she's not hurting me. She loves me. Alright, so I'm going to go in with that gold. And just put it all over the lid.
Gold.
And I think I'm going to go in with the Rich Bitch as well. Just to really give it gold colour. Sorry, that's not tickling, that's hurting.
Tickle. Tickle, tickle.
Yeah, but it was hurting, darling.
My chin.
That's not my chin, that's my neck.
I think
Alright, and now I'm going to go in with Confession and just do that outer V.
exactly. Oh!
Don't touch. Alright, keep going in that outer V just until you get the colour that you want. And then just
I
blend it
got
out.
you, Jesus.
Yeah?
Like you. I got Teddy like you.
You got what like me?
I got Teddy.
Ah.
I got Teddy like you. Cheese Teddy.
Dress Cardi.
Uh-huh.
Yeah? Alright, and then I'm gonna... I feel like there's not enough gold on this side.
That yours.
It is mine.
Eyes. And bows.
Alright, so there we go. There's my eyeshadow. Alright, so I've put on my eyelashes and done my mascara. Now what I'm going to do next is... that one feels a bit funny. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my concealer and I'm going to clean up my eyeshadow. Just make sure that's good. And just give that a good... Make sure my mustache is not seen. And then I'm going to sponge it out with my slightly damp sponge. I'm starting to see how that would do. Like, instead of using a fully wet sponge, just using a damp, like really, really damp. Sorry, very little damp. Alright, I'm gonna tap that all out. Tap that all out. I really need to clean the sponge. This sponge is white. Alright, so done all that. And I'm going to get in my bronzer. So what I used the Romantic from down the bottom on Shaanxo. And then I'm going to get some bronzer. I'm just going to use this, which is my Colourpop. And just do a quick bronze. Alright, keep going. Just give it a good, give yourself some colour. Get in there. Done there. Then I'm going to go in with, where is it? The fan brush. Just to get that bit. Get the nose. And just under the lip. And rub that out with my fingers. There we go. So I'm opting for a low ponytail today. But yeah, so that's my final look. I'm just gonna pop on some eyeliner, just using my Essence. Just like that. Alright, and then go underneath my eyes with that Star Power. Why is it that one wing always looks so much better? Oh well. Alright, my daughter's been watching a lot of Barbie, so I'm probably gonna do a Barbie makeup tutorial at some point when I can. Yeah, it's just been really busy. I've been working like 6 to 7 days a week, and it's just been hectic. Cruise ship season. Woohoo! Alright. Now, I'm going to go in with this, and I'm going to go in with my setting powder. Alright, so just make sure that it's all set, which it feels like it. And then, where is it? Where is that one that I was looking for? I did just have it, but, you know, who knows? With everything that happens in this house. Alright, so I seem to have lost my highlighter. Awesome. Awesome. Because my daughter's been in here, and, yeah, it's been a bit of a not a fun time. Alright, just hold on a sec. Alright, I found it. So I'm going to use my typical one, which is, what is it called? Goddess of Faith. And I'm going to get this one, and I'm going to go to town. Because, you know, those photos, you got to look poppin'. Alright, and then I'm going to use a Limbo, so just kind of a dark lip.